What if multiplying by 9, 11, or 12 felt as easy as counting on your fingers? In this lesson, you'll uncover number patterns that turn these tricky facts into quick mental shortcuts you can use instantly without a calculator. Instead of grinding through every sum, you're going to start spotting shortcuts. In this module, you'll see hidden patterns in numbers, especially with 9s, 11s, and numbers close to 10, that turn tough looking questions into quick mental wins. Let's start with a fun way to do 9 times tables using your fingers. For 7 by 9, count to the 7th finger from the left and bend it down. Fingers to the left of the bent one are tens. That's 6 tens or 60. Fingers to the right are ones. That's 3. Put them together. 63. When you see times 9, think almost 10. Rewrite the problem as your number times 10, then subtract your number once. So for 7 times 9, imagine 7 times 10, which is 70. Now subtract one group of 7. 70 minus 7 is 63. In general, times 9 means times 10, then subtract that number. This 10 times, then take 1 away idea works just as well with bigger numbers. For 18 times 9, first do 18 times 10 to get 180. Now remove one group of 18. 180 minus 18 equals 162. Try another. 27 times 9 becomes 27 times 10. That's 270, then minus 27, giving 243. Now let's look at a shortcut for multiplying a two-digit number by 11. Take the number, split its digits, and add them. Then slide that sum into the middle like a sandwich filling. 432 by 11. Separate to 3 and 2. Add them. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now sandwich the 5 between 3 and 2. You get 352. So 32 times 11 is 352. Sometimes that middle number is too big and we need a carry, just like in normal addition. 459 times 11. First split the digits, 5 and 9. Add them. 5 plus 9 equals 14. We can't put 14 in the middle, so keep the 4 and carry the 1 to the 5. Now 5 plus 1 becomes 6. Read the answer, 649. Some numbers are friendly neighbors of 10. Instead of seeing 9, 12, or 13 as random, picture them as 10 minus 1, 10 plus 2, or 10 plus 3. Multiplying by 10 is super easy. So if a problem uses a number near 10, we rewrite it using 10 to make the math faster. Let's solve 13 times 9 using this near 10 idea. First, rewrite 9 as 10 minus 1. So think 13 times 10 minus 1. Multiply 13 by 10. That's 130. Now subtract one group of 13 because of the minus 1. 130 minus 13 equals 117. You've just used the distributive law, a piece of algebra, all in your head. Now see how two different mental paths still land on the same answer, 132. First, the sandwich method for 11. Take the outside digits, 1 and 2, add them to get 3, and sandwich that in the middle, 1, 3, 2, so 132. Second, the near 10 method. Think of 11 as 10 plus 1. So 12 times 11 is 12 times 10, plus 12 times 1. 120 plus 12 equals 132. Use whichever method feels faster and clearer for you. When a multiplication pops up, don't grab a random trick. Ask three quick questions. Is it a 9 times fact? For small numbers, use the finger trick. For bigger ones, think 10 times the number, then subtract once. Is it 11 times a two-digit number? Split the digits, add them, and drop the sum in the middle. Is a number near 10, like 9, 12, or 13? Use base 10 thinking 10 times, then adjust a little. Time for a lightning round. Try to say each answer in your head before you even feel tempted to write. Notice how the patterns you've learned make these look easier now. Each quick challenge builds your speed and confidence. You now have three powerful tools: finger tricks and 10 minus 1, 4 nines, the sandwich pattern for 11s, and the Nevan zero strategy that uses base 10 to break numbers apart. Practice them until they feel automatic, and you'll be ready for even bigger multiplication adventures.